Welcome back. Pakistan uses terror as an instrument of its statecraft. That is India's strong rebuttal to Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif claiming in his UN speech last night that Pakistan is a victim of terror. India also hit back over his suggestions of demilitarizing Kashmir, saying rather it's Pakistan that needs to deterrorize.
India sent out a forceful message to Pakistan today, calling it the prime sponsor of terrorism. The response, the strongest in several years, came after the Pakistani Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif had this to say about India at the United Nations.
Ceasefire violations along the line of control and the working boundary are intensifying, causing civilian deaths, including women and children. Wisdom dictates that our immediate neighbor refrains from fomenting instability in Pakistan. The two countries should address and resolve the causes of tension and take all possible measures to avert further escalation. That is why I want to use the opportunity today to propose a new peace initiative with India, starting with measures that are the simplest to implement. 1. We propose that Pakistan and India formalize and respect the 2003 understanding for a complete ceasefire on the line of control in Kashmir.
In a series of rapid-fire tweets, the Ministry of External Affairs hit back, saying Pakistan is not the primary victim of terrorism, but of its own policies. It is in fact the prime sponsor of terrorism. Pakistani Prime Minister gets foreign occupation right, occupier wrong. We urge early vacation of Pakistani-occupied Kashmir. And to demilitarize Kashmir is not the answer. To de-terrorize Pakistan is.
पाकिस्तान को खुद इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए, अपने अंदर झांकना चाहिए और फिर समझना चाहिए कि वो जो इल्जाम लगा रहे हैं वो क्या उन पर ही लागू होते हैं.
India, in a letter addressed to the United Nations President, has exercised its right to reply, asserting, the heart of the matter is a state that regards the use of terrorism as a legitimate instrument of statecraft. The world watches with concern as its consequences have spread beyond its immediate neighborhood. All of us stand prepared to help, if only the creators of this monster wake up to the dangers of what they have done to themselves. Government officials say External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj will give a terse but befitting response in her speech at the United Nations on Friday. This is not the first time that Pakistan has brought up the Kashmir issue at the United Nations, and it certainly won't be the last. But what is significant is the way that the Modi government has responded. It is a hardline stance, it's an aggressive stance, and it's an authoritative stance, which tells you that India will not take Pakistan's false claims lightly and is willing to call out Pakistan's credibility out in the international community by calling Pakistan a state which sponsors terrorism. In New York, Namrata Brar, NDTV.